everyone. Deputy government has given many gifts to Charkhi Dadri in the budget promise fulfilled. Sunil Sarpal Sangwan. Armed Forces Preparation Institute Civil Hospital to be expanded and health facilities to be increased. Employees State Insurance Corporation Hospital to be opened. Development to get a new direction. Deputy government has been given the gift of many projects for the development of Charkhi Dadri in the state budget. In this budget has been announced to open Armed Forces Preparation Institute. On its opening, the youth of the region will be able to fulfill their dream of becoming an officer in the army. Employees State Insurance Corporation Hospital will be opened in Charkhi Dadri, and apart from setting up a trauma center in civil hospital, a daycare center will be set up for cancer patients. Apart from this, many projects related to the development of Dadri have also been included in the budget by the CM. MLA Sunil Sarpal Sangwan said that his father, former minister late Sarpal Sangwan's thinking has always been to take development forward and collaboration with the society. Taking the inspiration from him, he sent his son and daughter to the army. Apart from making the youth of his region officers in the army, he had promised the development in elections. Regarding this, he continuously met the chief minister and union ministers and raised the demand. Today in the budget, Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini has announced to set up Armed Forces Preparation Institute, Employees State Insurance Corporation Hospital, Civil Hospital from 100 to 200 beds in Dadri, daycare center from cancer patient trauma center, horticulture center will be established, seed training lab will be opened, infrastructure of Sanskriti Model Government School will be prepared, municipal council will get vacuumer, Sankar and cleaner machine. At the same time, tree trimming machine, road roller, pitchwork machine and under facilities for the municipal council are also included in the budget. Apart from this, many projects have also been included for the development of Charkhi Dadri. MLA Sunil Sarpal Sangwan thanked the CM and said that whatever the BJP government of the state says, it also fulfills it. He said that during the elections, a Sankalp Patru was issued for the Dadri, which the government has included in the budget today and has given gifts to the people of Charkhi Dadri. At the same time, full attention has been given to every section, including inclusion of projects to advance the development of rural and urban areas. Continuous checking of illegal mining and mineral vehicles. The Haryana government is taking strict measures against illegal mining, and mining department is constantly monitoring it. As per the instructions of Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini, the Director General of the department K.M. Pandurang himself is constantly monitoring and activities of the mining department. The main goal of the government is to make the mining process completely transparent and eradicate illegal mining from the road. District Mineral Officer Rinku Kumar said that under the departmental checking, the team checked more than 50 vehicles towards Samaspur Naka and Loharu Road, and all the vehicles were found with valid e-Ravana. He said that the Haryana government is full commitment to stop illegal mining and is keeping a constant watch at the departmental level. Surprise inspections are being conducted the various areas of the district, and strict action is being taken against the culprits. Mega service camp will be organized at Parsuram Hitram School on March 26th. A mega service camp will be organized by the District Legal Services Authority on March 26th, in which various departments of the administration will get up stalls and provide the benefits of government schemes. Secretary of District Legal Services Authority and CGM Sanjeev Kajla said that the authority will be organized a mega camp March 26th at Parsuram Hitram School with a aim of providing public services to the general public. In this camp, applications will be made on the spot under various public welfare schemes of the government. Apart from this medical examination, psychiatrist from the health department as well as orthopedic surgeon, gynecologist, medical examination and eye examination facilities will be provided by Oscar Hospital, Charkhi Dadri. He said that in the camp, the employees of the concerned departmental will collect documents from the citizens to get the amendments made in the family identity card services related to district welfare department, social welfare department, common service center, food and supplies departmental, electricity distribution corporation will be available here. In this camp, which will be organized with the cooperation of the district administration, Stones of National Urban Livelihood Mission, One Stop Center, Red Cross Society, Labor Department, Employment Department, Agriculture Department, District Child Protection Departmental and Public Health Engineering Department will also be set up. He has requested the general public to take maximum advantage of the services provided through this mega camp. Public problems are being resolved at one place in Samadhan camps. In the Samadhan camps today, SDM asked someone while hearing the public complaints, directed the officers to take action in the related matters. He said that the district administration is taking appropriate and effective action on every complaint coming to Samadhan camp. On the instructions of the Chief Minister of the state, Naib Singh Saini, complaints related to family identity card, land dispute and under departments were heard in the Samadhan camp organized in the district under the guidance of Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma. The SDM heard all these complaints patiently and directed the departmental officers to take just action. SDM informed that a Samadhan camp is being organized in the auditorium of Mini Secretariat every working day from 10 a.m. to 12 noon. SDM informed that apart from the district headquarters, these camps are also organized at Barda at the subdivision level so that the common citizens do not have to wander a long time to get their complaints resolved and their problems is resolved at every one place. For this purpose, officers and employees of major departments are present in the Samadhan camp. SDM invested crop girdabri in the villages of the district. SDM of Dadri asked someone to the Tehsil area and investigating the girdabri on the spot and along with the officers of the revenue department missed information recorded in the Sajra and tape. While investigating the girdabri of crops, he instructed the officers of the revenue department to go to the field from time to time and match the information recorded in the girdabri. Girdabri of crops is an important task, so there should be no negligence at any level. According to this, girdabri to produce is purchased in the market and the farmers get the benefit of various government schemes. SDM inspected the villages of Achina, Ranila, Ginger Adi of the district and gave necessary instructions to the officer.
The government betrayed Dadri by not announcing the budget for the construction of medical and PG college buildings. Dadri district is not included in the priorities of the BJP government. Charkhi Dadri. The first budget of the current BJP government of the state has been disappointing for the people of Dadri district. By not announcing the budget for the construction of the proposed medical and PG college building in Dadri district, the BJP government has betrayed the people of the district. This was said by former MLA Naina Singh Chautala while giving her reaction on the budget released by the state government. Former MLA Naina Singh Chautala said that by becoming a partner in the state government, JJP had given a great gift to the people of the district by announcing the construction of medical and PG colleges. He said that to provide better and modern education to our youth of rural areas, it is very important to build these educational institutions in Dadri district soon. He said that during the tenure of the previous government, the process of identifying land for these two institutions has also been implemented. The people of the district were very hopeful that the budget for the construction of these two institutions would be announced in the budget by the current government. Former MLA Naina Singh Chautala said that on one hand the state government has proposed in the budget to run the government school running in double shift and single shift. But the reality on the ground is that due to our efforts, an amount of 12 crore rupees 5 lakh was released for the construction of the building of the oldest government model Sanskriti Senior Secondary School of Dadri district. Even after more than a year of the release of the amount, the government has not even started the tender process for the construction of the school building. The proposal to run the school in single shift without a building is just a hoax. Former MLA Naina Singh Chautala said that the former Deputy Chief Minister of the state, Mr. Dushyant Chautala, had announced to start an SC dispensary in Dadri district. Today the Chief Minister has proposed to allocate land by HSSIDC for the building of SC dispensary. How far the budget announcements of the state government are from reality can be gauged from the fact that the HSSIDC department does not have any land available in Dadri district. Former MLA Naina Singh Chautala said that Dadri district is nowhere included in the priorities of the current BJP government. Jannayak Janata Party, by participating in the state government, had allocated a budget of hundreds of crores of rupees for the construction of infrastructure of Dadri district in every financial year. But in the very first budget of today's BJP government, both the hands of the people of Dadri district are completely empty.
So, thank you so much and take care. Bye. See ya. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Namaskar.